Good morning. I'm here with a few quick instructions for how you can do your first Civil War project. So you found your way to Google Classroom, obviously, and you can see under classwork, you're going to select this, which is where you found this video, and you will see that there are instructions here as well as links. So one of the things that you are going to do first is if you go under here, if you go, whoops, there we go, view assignment, you're going to first go here to Edpuzzle, and you're going to watch this video, and there's a question that you will answer at the end. If you've never used Edpuzzle before, it actually allows me to assign a video to you, and then it shows me how much of the video you have watched, as well as it allows me to grade the questions that you answer. So you will get a grade for all of your Edpuzzle videos. It's actually a grade not just on the questions, but it also shows how much of the video you've completed. So the first thing you're going to do is watch the video and answer the question, and then it gets automatically turned into Edpuzzle. Then you're going to come over here to Civil War Project number 1. You'll open this up. It'll make a copy for yourself. You're going to read the big idea up here at the top and the task. The task is always going to be the thing on the projects that you want to look most closely at. It's what I'm asking you to do. So here, you'll see that the task is that I want you to examine multiple resources to describe the way of life of enslaved people, and then use these resources to present an argument. So that's what your job is in this particular project. So here you'll see you're going to complete a primary source document analysis, and you'll submit it. Then you're going to take the evidence from the Edpuzzle video and from your primary documents, and you're going to produce a response to a question, and you're going to want to use the evidence from your research in your answer, and then you'll turn this in. So you're going to complete this primary source document analysis. You're going to choose 2 out of these 4. Highlight them, please, in yellow so I know which ones you've read. You just click on the link. It'll take you to the primary source. You'll read the primary source, and then in this column here, you're going to put detailed notes, descriptions, and comments. They can be in a little bulleted list, but make sure you have some details. What did you learn about what the life of an enslaved person was like from an enslaved person? It's one thing to read about slavery in other sources. It's best to actually hear from people who really experienced it. And that's what this assignment is about. So you're going to put some information up here. Then you're going to click on this link that will send you to a set of slides, which will be photographs, pictures of what it really looked like at the time of slavery. And again, you're going to write in here, what is it that you saw that told you a little bit about slavery. There's also a video in there that you'll watch that talks a little bit about the White House. And then down here, you'll do the same as you did in the first one. There are 4 here, pick 2, and you'll put that information. Then you will take this document and you will turn this into Google Classroom as the first part. Second part actually. So you Edpuzzle, and then you'll turn in this primary document analysis. Then the last thing that you will do is you will go back to the classwork page, and you will see right underneath it has a Google question. And so you will click here on this question, and you'll see now you're going to use your evidence. So you want to have an opinion, but you're also going to tie it into some of the things that you read and saw in our primary sources. So you'll click on View Question. It will tell you what the question is. There's an article here that goes along with the question if you want to see the article, and then you will turn in your response. And so I believe I have it set up. You don't need to reply to other people's. It's just me being able to see what your response is to this particular question. And you want that to be 4 to 5 sentences. So once your Google Doc and Edpuzzle have been turned in and your response to this question is turned in, then you will go back into Odysseyware and turn in Civil War Project number 1. It'll be blank on Odysseyware, but you turn it in. That tells me that you're finished, and now I can go in and grade your Edpuzzle, your Google Doc, and your Google question response, and then I will put a grade into Odysseyware. So thanks very much, guys. I hope you're having a great week. I hope you have a good weekend. I hope you enjoy watching the Super Bowl on Sunday. And if you have any questions, let me know.